weaving the fabric of a new industrial India, takes us back to the fertile banks of the Ganges in 1919, in the pleasant town of Birla near Kolkata, where Birla Jute Mills, the first Indian-owned jute mill, was established. This marked the start of an empire that was to change the industrial face of the nation, the Birla Empire. The seed was sown here at Birlapur, which over the years took the shape of a mighty tree. Guided by the timeless values of integrity and enterprise, Shri Yukt Madhav Prasad Ji Birla spearheaded the transformation of a humble jute manufacturing company into a mighty conglomerate, the MP Birla Group. Shri Yukt Madhav Prasad Ji Birla shared his dream of enterprise with his life partner, Srimati Priyamvada Ji Birla, and they spread it across their industries and across the nation. Later, Shri Yukt Rajendra Singh Ji Lodha carried the torch of the founders forward with his vision and dynamism. Today, the company is in the worthy hands of his son, Shri Harsh V. Lodha, taking the MP Birla Group name to greater heights. Welcome to a world of possibilities. Welcome to Birla Jute Mills. 2 years shy of a century, the Birla Jute Mills today manufactures over 150 tons of finished jute products daily for diverse use and is home to more than 5,000 employees and their families. That's the 6 a.m. siren. The morning shift is about to begin. Workers head towards their respective departments. Raw jute is unloaded. Through a series of steps, the golden fiber is transformed into the fabric of desire, producing a wide range of products. After the selection process, based on the grade of raw jute, the coarse raw fiber is passed through a spreader for lubrication. The raw jute fiber then goes through different stages of carding to be converted into uniform sliver. The sliver is spun and converted into jute yarn of various counts for diverse uses. The yarn is arranged on beams according to the final fabric requirement. The final yarn is interwoven to produce different grades of fabric. At the heart of our operations is customizability, where modern looms are used to make a wide range of fabrics according to customer specifications. There is a dedicated stitching unit where the fabric is cut and stitched to make bags as per customer requirement. There is also an in-house printing facility for printing up to 3 colors on each side of the jute bag. Called the golden fiber, jute products can also be many-hued. The process house has a capacity of about 20,000 meters of treated fabric, including the provision of azo-free dyeing. Besides the conventional range, Birla Jute Mills also specializes in value-added products. Using state-of-the-art Delo machine, the company has produced high-density jute non-woven products like eco-friendly auto trim parts for brands such as Maruti Suzuki. Also produced are underlays for various floor coverings and other products related to agriculture, horticulture and construction. The final product goes through rigorous quality checks through its internal quality control team before it leaves for the worldwide market. Some decorative, some minimalistic, some strictly utilitarian. The fiber forms the base of a diverse spectrum of products. Packaging, food grade, interior decoration. Fashion, geotextiles. Birla Jute Mills is the pioneer in developing food-grade jute bags for high-demand markets of Latin America and Southeast Asia for packing of coffee beans, cocoa beans, and specific food grains. With export cargo loading facility in the factory, Birla Jute Mills ensures safe transit of cargo to the customers. The finished products are exported to markets all over the world. Taking a walk around the campus, you are truly transported to a different world. With the tree plantation initiatives and internal effluent treatment and biogas plant, it is easy to tell why it's rightly called Clean Birlapur, Green Birlapur. Residential facilities are provided for the families of the executives, staff, and workers, spacious enough with all modern amenities, serene enough to connect with your inner self, brimming with life and activity inside the green compound. One can see the campus abuzz with a healthy mix of competition and relaxation. The stadium comes to life with regular sporting events. There is a 450-seater auditorium for a day of educative seminars or an evening of healthy entertainment. The in-house library houses over 4,000 books where one can study at leisure. The First Aid Center and the MP Birla Foundation Medical Society Hospital tend to the medical needs of the employees, their families, and people in the surrounding region. Enlightening young minds is at the very heart of any development. Around 2,500 children attend Birlapur High School, a bilingual higher secondary school up to the 12th standard. Organic farming initiatives using modern polyhouse technique and drip irrigation facilities have led to the cultivation of exotic vegetables. There is also a dairy farm where cow milk is produced. The salubrious air here keeps one healthy. The days go by with the ebb and flow of the Ganges, where life revolves around the jute mill. Life never stops at Birlapur. Around here, every day is a celebration. The strength of Birla Jute Mills is the strength of legacy, one which stands on the pillars of innovation and modernization, keeping pace with the times. In the past 50 years, plastic has been threatening the existence of the jute industry. But today, with the pressing concerns of the impact of plastic on our environment, the eco-friendly and biodegradable jute is making its resurgence and emerging as the fiber of the future. From God we receive, and to God we offer. Sri Yukt MP Birla's philosophy continues to guide our operations every step of the way. The jute division, as the mother of the Birla Empire, is our way of doing our bit for the environment. With his philosophy resonating in our hearts, our sails are set. We are ready to journey new territories and hit the unexplored banks of success.